All right, we are back, as you can tell, back in the store. Here's I'll tell you what, she got up this morning. We're finishing up the final part of the 13A visa. They got my MBI clearance back, and they require what? Your birth certificate,
marriage contract.
what is it? PSA or
PSA.
A PSA birth certificate for her and a PSA marriage certificate, which we have. It's on file here in the Philippines, but she had to run to San Fernando this morning to get it. She was up early, and she got back, came over to the store, so she's been busy. And we have a little issue. The car, when we got home, I got off the highway, and the tachometer or the RPM gauge dropped down and kind of lost power in the car. Shut it off, came back on, so I got to get that checked out. But anyways, like I said, you can see we're back, and tonight we are going to be celebrating Hannah Grace's birthday party. We're going to be celebrating Hannah Grace with a little party tonight. We didn't have a little party while we were away, so we wanted to come back so her uncle, her kuya, can have, can enjoy a little party. We got a cake. The lady here, a friend of Louisa, Sheila, she's cooking up food, and they've been getting food prepared and everything. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. Here is Liberty. Of course, she's resting. We got a little problem with Liberty. She keeps escaping. She finds ways to get out, and we'll catch her out walking around on the street and pick her up, bring her back. But yeah, she wants out, and you know what? If she gets out, she will find her way back because she knows where her food is. So she'll be back. But yeah, she's gotten out a couple times and tried to reinforce different areas where she's getting out, but she wants to roam. She wants to roam the streets. So anyways, that's what we are doing this evening. We're having a little party here at the Sorry store. We're going to have some cake and ice cream. Hannah Grace. There's Hannah Grace. She's being shy, but she says thank you for all the birthday wishes. She's hiding.
She's buwang na.
Look, says she's buwang now. Anyway, she says happy birthday, or thank you for all the birthday wishes. Right now she's being shy. So anyways, we are going to have a little party tonight for Hannah Grace. They have been busy today. This is some of the stuff we're going to have. Of course, pancit. It's not a party in the Philippines without pancit. And they rolled up some liempo. And we have some type of what? Beef stew? What is this stew?
Nilaga.
Nilaka?
Nilaga, yeah.
Nilaga. It's pork?
Yeah, pork.
It's pork. And Luisa's friend, like I said, Luisa's friend across the street, she's actually, what is she doing? Grilling up the fish?
Yeah.
She's grilling up the fish, and she's going to be grilling up the liempo. There's Hannah Grace. She's in a better mood now. But they've been busy.
Oh! Pero okay siya sa ano? Parang ano kasi.
Hannah Grace, you want to say thank you for your birthday wishes from everybody?
Ano?
You want to say thank you? Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. Now she's in a better mood.
34 na yun siya.
Litro po?
Oo. Yung bote ko,
Soli ko na po eh.
ito,
Wala pa. Wala pa.
All right. So here's where the little escape artist is going out. We put some egg crates in there, empty egg cardboard crates in there because she's pushing that wood to the side. She's climbing out of there. I got to get some duct tape and duct tape that shut. And there's where she was getting out too before. I gotta figure something out, get some cardboard, get it up there, duct tape it. I mean, duct tape will hold that wood together, holds a NASCAR together at 200 miles an hour. So that is the one area we know she was escaping. And then over here in the corner, you can see, look, got rid of the rice bins. She just has the rice sacks out now. It gave her some more room in here. She can hang some of her stuff up there. But over in the corner there, the metal gate doesn't go tight on the wall. So she was sneaking out through there. We now have the metal, there was a metal sign outside that said Petron or said gas. I forget what, I think it said gas. We have that there now, blocking that corner. So she can't get out there. But that is where this little escape artist here keeps getting out. It's Hannah Grace and her brand new birthday gift, her dress.
This is Mommy.
That's Luke's gift to her. Nice, pretty dress. My gift was her goggles that she already used while we were swimming. Anything to say there, Hannah Grace? That's it?
She looks like princess.
She looks like princess. That's not, you can hear that, that's not Liberty, that's a street cat whining. It's that street cat right there. Everybody wants to get out and make friends.
Are you?
Hi, Boards is here.
Hi.
Boards has joined the party.
That was Friday.
Yeah. Boards wants to start a YouTube channel.
Yeah, I wish I can make my own what we call that blog. I have my own blogs.
What's your channel going to be, Boards?
I don't know. I need some
Unique name.
unique name. Yeah, to build my new bloggers.
No channel name yet, Boards?
Ano, Aqua Planet.
Aqua Planet.
Aqua Planet.
That's Aqua Planet.
Oh,
Aqua Planet.
Aqua Travel.
Someone trying to invite me to
Aqua.
in Aqua Planet.
Yeah, what happened? Why didn't you go?
Maybe this coming Sunday I'm going
Oh,
to Aqua
a
Planet.
date.
Yeah, not a date. My friend,
Oh, a friend of yours is. Oh, all right.
friend of mine. Then I will try to Aqua Planet, but it's too expensive. It's 700 for ticket.
No, I thought it was 500.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, but then you get that back in meals, right?
Yeah,
I think it's consumable.
really.
I think so. Because I was told they get 500, but then you get it back in consumable.
Uy, that's Aqua.
Oh, Aqua.
That's
Aqua Planet is inside the base.
Inside
Oh, up there at Aqua
Yeah,
Planet, the big water park.
Yeah.
Maybe you think that Asian Adventure.
Oh, wow, the food's here now.
No.
The food is coming.
It's not here.
The food is coming from one house.
Wow, that's the birthday
here.
girl. She's the birthday girl. What was that?
Wow.
Papa yan?
That's a grilled pork.
Grilled lumpia. No, grilled
not
liempo.
Liempo.
Grilled liempo. And what else? That looks
Now I
like
know.
eggplant.
Walang bisita namin.
Everything's coming together. The gang's all here. Well, part of the gang's all here.
We have party here. Yeah, we have party here.
There's a party gonna go on soon. Gotta finish up cooking.
Cooking.
Looks heating up the oil for the lumpia.
What was that? Lumpia.
Lumpia oil. Anything else, Boards?
Yeah, I'm really,
Stay
excited.
tuned for her YouTube
Please,
channel. We're
please,
still
please,
trying to
please,
figure out what's
please,
the
yeah.
name of it.
If you watch my channel,
Hi.
Hi.
I don't know.
The lumpia is frying away. Lut is doing the lumpia. And that's Sheila. Sheila helped make the food also over at her place.
Oh, she make the all.
She
all
comes
boys.
over and talks with Lit when I'm not here.
Yes, she's my girlfriend.
That's Lit's girlfriend. I thought Boards was your girlfriend.
That's my wife.
Oh, that's your wife. Boards. Boards is her girlfriend. No, her wife. And Sheila is her girlfriend.
Ito na yan?
Wow.
Really?
Kasi niluto ko na yan.
Okay.
Luto na ako.
So Lit has a girlfriend and a wife. That's new to me.
Kaya pwede naman ako.
My asawa.
Yes.
My asawa is my king.
Oh, okay.
Okay, my special king. Oh no, you're the original. They're the only mistress.
Ah. The other woman.
Man and other woman.
Anna Grace on her tablet, waiting to eat. Are you hungry? Yeah, I'm hungry too. All right, here is our feast this evening. We've got
Paano na yan pag mag-vlog?
pancit, grilled fish, eggplant, lumpia Shanghai, liempo, hot oil, and this is, what is this again, Lut?
Nilaga.
Milaga. It's pork. There's vegetables in there. And of course, a party would not be a party without the rice. There is the rice.
Here's the rice.
Is this the fancy rice, Lut?
Yeah.
That's the fancy rice you sell? Huh, Lut?
Yes.
All right, we're having fancy rice.
Sa sanina.
All right, Norbs is here now.
Pakita kay video.
And he's bearing gifts. Wow, very nice.
Wow, maayo kayo mo pili si Mayutay. Girl na girl.
Wow, very nice, Hannah Grace.
Kasi kung mga nag-ship. Ikaw pa yung tagada namin.
Doon sa man nga nagkaon namin.
Handa ka mo? Wala,
Bayo's here. Bayo's here.
Biscuit.
Red ribbon. Good birthday cake.
The Fanta. The Fanta.
Sunsilk, Skyflake,
Oh,
Bravo.
oh, turn off the fan.
Ano to? Blueberries, Skyflake. Ha? Chicheria. Ayaw mo ng biscuit. Ay,
Huwag mo galawin.
anong chicheria? Ito.
Kanta mo na tayo.
Malalaki.
Hindi pwede.
Oishi, Mites, Peewee, Cheese.
Doon ka.
Wait, hang on for Boards. Boards got a customer.
Ano lang?
Yatos po.
Yatos.
14. 14 to. Sais.
Ayaw mo sa piyatos. Pusok mo.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Anna Grace. Pala.
Oh, blow the candle.
Wish mo na, wish, wish.
Who got the puppy? Give it to
Sayang wala.
All right, the party is over. We are wrapping things up and we are getting ready to go home. Looks over there counting the loot for the day. Norbs is gonna clean up. And yeah, it was a good party. And definitely ate a lot. So anyways, tomorrow's another day. The journey continues. Anything to say, Hannah Grace? Nothing to say? Anything to say, Lut?
Huh?
Anything to say?
Thank you for all the greetings. my address have. We will really appreciate it. And please subscribe to. Oh my God! You didn't tell me.
Your headband's a little crooked. That's all right. And yes, that was the Balut guy. So anyways,
Please subscribe to his channel. Share with your friends. That's about it. See you tomorrow.